back to the studio. So today, Happy New Year Eve. You don't slip in New Year Eve. Already got 5 for. Happy New Year Eve. You do a sidewalk. So yeah, let's walk there. Right there, you see that satellite? That is a pile of bomb. So we're gonna blow up the hole. So that will be a doing at Northlight Landing. Woo!
Hey, you guys want to hang?
Yeah, we're gonna blow up the house.
You guys want to
suck it in. We are suck a new sidewalk.
You guys
want to
You guys want to hang after this?
Yeah.
Let's hug trees. No,
Let's try see that. How did they go? How did they go? That's by Mr. Kim. Yeah. Let's do that.
No.
Okay, no, a little bit more light.
Please don't throw it at
We're
people.
gonna make a little bit out. We did like see already, but still way more.
Hey, Wyatt,
yeah.
videotape this.
Okay. Oh God! Go. Look at that guy! Look at that! Oh my God! Any more? Let's see this.
The rainbow one.
It's like burning money. It's totally burning money.
Here, let me take the camera in.
No.
Why? I'm a better camera worker now.
I am a better one.
No, why is it smaller? I can have a bigger perspective on the view.
Shine. We're gonna go do this tonight.
We have to see the person who's making the video. Hold on, we need to go closer.
No. Yeah, I broke my lip. I had sharp lip.
Oh, sorry.
I had sharp lip.
Sorry.
My lip. I had sharp lip.
The whole thing's going to be black, literally, because it's so dark outside.
Yeah, it's just on the sidewalk. Guys, they're gonna.
Oh, yeah, I see light now.
The sidewalk are not gonna be.
Wyatt, come here. This is the light place.
Okay, is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yes, your ass is really good.
I think it's good.
Yes, everyone likes your butthole. Come on, let's go.
Okay, get the camera going for my YouTube channel. Get it.
You see that light? We're gonna.
Get it as good as you can. We have to do this to all of the sidewalk. Guy,
You see that?
you
I
have
can
to
zoom
do.
in.
You have to do it at your home.
That is the power of
You
people
have
working
to.
hard.
Look at me! I'm gonna die! Oh,
Wyatt's committing suicide right now. Bye, Wyatt.
He's just kidding. He's just kidding.
See that?
See that one?
Whoa.
Oh, you. Oh!
See how close that is?
Come on! Come on! Oh, I see you walking away.
No, I saw it. I saw it perfectly.
I know, but it'll be good.
Does that one even work?
No, do not go near it.
What do we do?
Do not go near it.
Whatever you do, it's gonna light soon. Cause if you go in front of its face, there's a 5% chance it will go to your head and you will die. Sad face. Hey, watch this. Lights out.
Yeah,
Lights on.
Now,
Lights out.
go.
Lights on.
Now light a.
Lights out. Lights on. Lights out.
Now light a sidewalk, and you would damn right next to it. You might die.
You probably will die. You
would die. Your head would blow off, and then your mom would be like, ah!
No, Wyatt, we need to go in the light view because we can't see you. Come on, Wyatt.
It's dangerous, dude.
Come on, Wyatt. Wyatt, come on. Come on, Wyatt. Do what you did last time.
Say,
Photobomb.
that was awkward, but I don't care. I like awkward. No. Ah! Stop it.
I got footage of your pug shirt. Oh, so the pug shirt is real.
Yes, you my pug.
Go. We are assassins trying to kill random people.
So order the pug. It can be your pug. Pug are
The
awesome.
video is sponsored by the Pug t-shirt. Buy it or die.
Hashtag pug are awesome.
If you die, well, that's too bad. You didn't buy it, so you're cool in the
Pug
world.
are awesome. If
Pugs.
you buy it, you don't have it already. you're gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
That's
Hey,
when you
hey.
let your
Go
side
say hi.
hit your safe.
Yeah. Baby.
Friendly.
Baby.
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 That's what
Baby.
we call them now.
Baby. Baby.
Zoom in, zoom in.
You
miss
can't
me.
even start out. That's how you put it.
Wait, zoom, wait, no, get it to me. I can zoom into the sidewalk.
I know you can. I don't have to.
Oh, now he's leaving.
I want to do that. I want to zoom into the sidewalk. They're going to be awesome. Okay, so when the next sidewalk happens, I want to zoom into it. Let go of the light. I want to do something. I need to go on the light. Okay, I need to get your pick. Okay, you're my best friend, and you had to be on my youth channel. Get the butt right in the pit. Oh.
Okay. Hey.
No! No! Don't do that! You could have blocked my iPad!
I was so jealous.
No! 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 Don't do that! No! Bad man! Tell Landon to stop!
What, the dog took the dump?
No! He summoned ice at me!
Landon, I told you not to put the ice. It could hurt somebody.
No, stop it! I'm making a city. You could get my iPad. The city could be ruined. Do it so the pug. Do it so the pug. I'm gonna get a pug later. My dog died. He landed. Get out, dog.
Property is a bike up. And he's like, you know, he's also like trying to do all these things.
No pay, Kenny.
Whoa! We gotta take it quick. Ren didn't even turn around.
That one's very low.
I missed it. Gate. Missed it.
It was only like 20 feet off the ground.
I missed it. Sorry, guys. Sorry you missed that epic miss. Damn it, can't see it totally back. You can do a little bit. No, you can't. Oh, that's all. Landon, come on! I forgot to. I didn't get it in the camera. Sorry, guys. I was sick yesterday. Well, not yesterday, the day after yesterday.
The day before yesterday.
Yeah.
Because you can't tell the future, Wyatt.
So yeah, that's why I was sick. So yeah, I signed no. So they got the cotton in me.
I mean, not all people can tell the future. And that's what person is everything, not you.
Shut up, Landon. I can tell the suit.
Holy shit. Good thing it's going towards the river. Look at
Oh.
It's like we're watching a war. It's a little war. Yeah, a war like a spaceship. Is that killing?
I think it's done. Oh yeah, that's done. That was awesome, guys. Landon, I gotta use a good shot. I said then get the shin going up in the air. Like the side shin going up in the air. I only got the shin going down. I got the shin up in the air a little bit. Yeah, we can go sit down over there. Not the sidewalk.
Is that frozen? Is that frozen? Check.
No.
Oh, dang it. I was wanting to like,
They're like a puddle right there, by the way, guys.
Whoa.
Yeah. Guy, I mean Landon. Go back. I'm gonna leave you here so you can yacht and die. Like a morbid there.
It's so hard to ride for all those kids. Oh my god, what?
I'm sorry. I only know you got a bike.
Then why do you have a bike?
I need to learn. Yeah. I didn't tell about this. A sail, and somebody walking. Somebody said light. I put on the light on sail and walking. Oh my god, I missed that again! Look at a little bit in it. Let's see Let's see the next one. Zoom back in. live streaming the whole time. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Buddha's in it. No, we can't like here. Okay, this is like the there. Cause you're not gonna take it from yet. No mind. Yeah. That ain't a neighbor. Oh, neighbor. That one is the sun. Yeah, the kind of sun. Never mind. I guess we need to go back here. That way, buddy. Oh, we got that. Where? Anymore? I think we're almost done. Oh, you know. Maybe? I don't know. I should go to London and Hayden. I mean, London and my sister Pay. She needs to walk. London walk here. Or talk. Oh.
Okay, Pig. Yeah, my turn.
Domain Pay. Domain Pay is there. Unlock the Domain London. Domain London is shaking Domain Pay. And it goes right to the ball! Right to the ball! To him! So the ball solo! And that me! I did! A little bit.
You need help?
I promise you. Wait, I have a lighter in my back pocket. Oh, that one's stuck.
Daddy, move. Move.
As soon as that one lights, I'll light them all.
Alright, come on. Videotape it. We're on. Look at Ren's face. Look at Ren's face.
There.
Wow, Ren, look at that.
Happy birthday to you!
It's a little thing.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Desire! Happy birthday to you!
2017.
Happy birthday to Sean 17! You are the
Video, don't move around.
Okay. Let's not do it anymore, that was kind of awkward. I do the old awkward a lot. But let's just see it there. Let's just see there.
Look at all the smoke from this like one little thing. I mean,
Yeah,
well, I'm sorry,
that's
6
kind
little
of-
things. Yeah.
I got it. You couldn't.
So we used to always light sparklers like when we were little at the beach, and I never did because I was so terrified that I would
There,
burn my hand up.
Brandon.
And like
With him,
my dad would go to hand me one, and I would
Shop,
drop it. in his
get
hand
dick. I mean,
every single time.
sparkle.
Yeah, look,
Yeah.
sparklers.
I'll feed like and so guys, more videos, stuff like this one.
Why? Let's. You
was
have plenty
fun.
of fire, Paige. Yours is actually lit right now.
So that all.
I said to Tina, Kim probably just is so drunk he like thinks it's midnight. Like he doesn't even realize that like the fireworks went off and it's like only 9:30 or 9:45.
Are we doing?
Why do you stay away from each other with
Are we
fire?
doing like
Yeah,
a big?
don't play
Are
with
we
fire.
doing like a big firework?
Oh my gosh, you missed the whole show?
No, I didn't miss the whole show.
Those are as big as you can get when you're like
Oh.
2 men in Califon. Okay, you
Yep.
have to.
They
And
were pretty big.
They were pretty
Yeah.
big, yeah.
You missed
And
the big ones because you guys are on
Stop.
those big shows are also
The
like
finale
$50,000.
was you guys are on bikes.
You missed it. It was really, really intense.
I didn't
and
miss
loud.
it. I didn't
The
miss it.
best
I
finale I've
saw.
ever
There was
seen.
like 20 fireworks in the sky.
I saw.
You missed it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it was fun.
yelling.
He's excited. He's working. Yeah.
We're leaving.
I mean, not like his normal personality is so amazing and cheerful, but like.
He's an awesome dude.
Meanwhile, like.
So there it guys, the other sidewalk. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this stuff, and I will see you in the next video. If we do more, because I'm not gonna be, so make another video. Bye.